Welcome everyone. This is Akash Patel, trader and mentor of Akash Patel Institute. Today, let's take a look on Nifty 50 indices because after a few days of fall, Nifty started to move up on the last trading day of September. But today, it fall 3/4. So let's check. एक के बाद एक देखते हैं हम कि टॉप डाउन अप्रोच से what is actual Nifty is doing. This is a beautiful rally based rally, which is a monthly demand zone from where the Nifty is moving up, and this is a downtrend as it shows. जैसे कि दिखा रहा है कि डबल टॉप बना रहा है. Still, let's mark it all time high because यहाँ पे एक वीकली और 75 मिनट का सप्लाई जोन है लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में, हम उसको देखेंगे. Pretty good move, but still there is still a big room to move down for the Nifty for a valid monthly demand zone. Let's take a quick look on weekly chart. On the weekly chart, it doesn't show a good strength. Still, this is the weekly chart जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रहा था. This is a weekly supply zone, and also Nifty has a bigger room to fall down till this rally-based rally. As you can see that Nifty started to fall down from the same weekly supply zone which we had marked, and above this weekly supply zone we will find a beautiful, as you know about that there is a 75-minute supply zone which is very powerful, and also it is holding Nifty for move up. So this is the weekly demand. This is the weekly range, which is quite a big range of 653 points for Nifty to move down. So here we can make the strategy to at least to go for a buy, or maybe there is another beautiful demand zone, one of our level over level, and these are the two levels of Nifty. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक गिरने के लिए अभी भी निफ्टी के पास बहुत समय है. What we can do, let's check on a daily. So on a daily chart, as we can see, that was the last trading day, 30th September, और उस last trading day पे इसने बहुत अच्छा ही support पे 600, 700, approximate 700 points का move, sorry, approximate 300 points का move जो है इसने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कवर किया था. एंड और ये ऐसा एक उम्मीद था कि हो सकता है निफ्टी थोड़ा और ऊपर जाए बिकॉज देयर वाज अ सप्लाई 75 मिनट सप्लाई जोन, बट निफ्टी आज जो है वो नीचे डाउन मूव कर दिया है. एंड स्टिल देयर आर सम मोर other levels on the daily chart. As we can see, there are some more rejections, there are some more gaps which still needed to be filled up. So we can see a slight the same move up from the lower rejection as well. And also on the daily demand zone, as we can see, this is the gap up move. We can go for this as a daily demand zone. Sorry, we can go this as a daily demand zone from where we can expect a slightly pullback to the supply zone, and we are expecting prices to move up from here. If not this level, maybe a slightly level below, and this is the supply zone which is actually holding. This is actually daily supply zone which is actually holding Nifty to move up. And above this, here we can find a 75-minute supply zone. So Nifty is falling from a daily supply zone. We didn't find any good supply zone in between, not on a daily chart. Daily chart पे कोई भी अच्छा हमें डिमांड जोन नहीं मिल रहा है जहां से निफ्टी ऊपर बाउंस बैक कर पाए. And this is a demand zone or which the on which we can, you know, we can trust a bit, but still there are some more levels which is needed to be filled. There are some more gaps which is needed to be filled before prices came down. So let's take a quick look on a 75-minute chart. Maybe there may be some intraday possibilities. So I was talking about this supply zone, drop based drop, where it is likely to move up, but here is a gap which requires to pull up. So this level is required to pull up by some more price action, and this is the level from where this is the gap level from where the prices moved up, and here we have a slightly rally based really beautiful demand zone we have for a pullback. If this demand zone not holds, nifty move up nifty to move up, maybe this will hold. So probably for a better price action, we will wait for a better price action, but we can plan for some really good shorts, because today whatever the nifty move give us is a completely short move, and also the banking sector is also moving down. So we can wait till this level got breached, this till rejection level got breached. If this rejection got breached down, if this level breaches down, we can actually can take a short SIT, short income, short trade income. We can take up to a 75-minute supply zone, or maybe there is some more supply zone in the 125-minute. Okay, so as we can see, there is a 725-minute supply zone, as we can see it now. So we can guess, we can consider, or we can expect a small move up from this demand zone till here, but we'll wait for some more price action till this rejection level breaches. So on an overall graph, on an overall chart, as we can see, there are still more room to fall. This 700 demand zone is really not a good demand zone over which we can put our money at risk. So till now, till that, we can have a better look for toward the side position. Also, looking toward the bank nifty, if we look on the bank nifty chart, let's take a quick look what actually bank nifty is doing, what we can expect for this week. So as we can see, it already makes a double top, okay, and it is moving from a good daily demand zone, and this demand zone is actually responsible for, this monthly demand zone is actually responsible for giving all-time high. And when the price is retested it again and again, it is again giving a same or near about the same high and moving down. So we can expect some more fall in the bank nifty. Till that, you have to hold your capital, or make sure you will not put your capital at the long position or in any investment condition. So take a quick look on the weekly. As we can see, this was a weekly supply zone which was holding, but suddenly 5 weeks back it got breached, and here we are expecting some bullish move to make a new all-time high from the nifty bank, but it was not happened. And this was the weekly the weekly demand zone which is actually holding right now, but it is not looking as powerful as the Nifty 50 वीकली डिमांड जोन looks like. As we know, जैसे कि हम देखे थे कि निफ्टी में भी डिमांड जोन जो है वीकली डिमांड जोन वो स्लाइटली नीचे है. सिमिलरली इसमें बैंक निफ्टी में एक डिमांड जोन ऊपर में है, एंड इट इज शोइंग अ स्मॉल स्ट्रेंथ, बट दिस विल गेट ब्रीच्ड और गेट टेस्टेड डीपर. हो सकता है वो 37,000 या 37,500 तक वो डीपली टेस्ट हो जाए. सो we can wait. We can't take any long positions here. We will wait for the prices to come down to this better weekly demand zone. And also weekly demand zone, here I can wait for some more price actions. Sorry, wait for some more price actions, right? And this is a weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and as we can see, there is one more level below the weekly demand zone, which we can consider as a weekly demand zone. But to prices to come here, it will have to pass through this weekly demand zone. And we see on the daily chart, let's take a quick look on the daily chart, what daily is showing to us. So the same scenario, the same thing on the daily chart as well. There is a gap between the prices, and this gap actually fills until and unless this gap got filled. जब तक ये gap नहीं भर जाता है, या जब तक इस gap में कोई भी price action नहीं होता है, we will treat this gap as a resistance level, because we don't know what will happen. Maybe some more sellers which are giving price, or which are holding the price to not to move. Okay, so the next demand zone is here, which is not that powerful but still holding the prices to move up. So we will wait for some more price action. Maybe the prices will came down and make a new up move, give a pullback. But before this demand zone, as we can see, there is a gap up. There is a resistance level from where the prices are moving up, which is a gap up point. Maybe the same thing which happened in the Nifty. Maybe the prices will came here and moved a bit. So this resistance level can play a more major important role in this also. So this is the daily demand zone on which we can put our money for a short period of time for the short term income longs. And here is again we can see that there is no other daily supply zone. So it will be clearer on when we look into the lower time frame chart. So let's take a look on the 75-minute frame chart. As we can see on the 75-minute chart, there was a supply zone just above the resistance level, and actually I was waiting for the prices to came here so that we can plan some shorts, but prices turned down a bit from here as well. And this is the 75-minute supply zone. This is a 75-minute demand zone actually from where the prices moved up. So yes, Nifty and Bank Nifty both are bearish, and maybe this week the prices will fall down till the same reaction level, or maybe the prices will fall down till the demand zone in the Bank Nifty as well. So both the indices are bearish. Both the indices are bearish this week. So we have to be very careful while selecting our stocks. Be stock specific. Look for some good shorts. We could look for some good shorts in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So as we see, अगर हम सभी को एक साथ मार्क करके जब देखते हैं तो as we can see that yes, Nifty is falling on the weekly as well. It is falling on the monthly, is falling on the daily as well, and also there is more room for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty to fall down. So that's it for today. That's it for this week. Be sure to get into any the dangerous trade. Don't, it is not possible, it is not a good to get into the unnecessary trade. So trade well, trade safe. To your trading success. Akash Patel University. This is Akash Patel. Thank you so much.